Good morning, students. I am teaching today class 3 maths, and my topic is long division. Okay, my topic is long division. So see here, how do you divide any question? Long division method. Long division. First you see here I have written long division, and today I will first give you one question. Just see here, 3246 divided by 4. Here you are looking, it is 4-digit numbers, 3246 and divided by 4. So how do you quickly find out the answer? So you take the method of long division. So you write first 4, then 3246. You are right first. And first you see, what see? Here is I have written 4. It means, you know, first division has 4 parts. Here is already I have 2 parts written now. It is dividend and this one is divisor. It means 4 is divisor and 3246 is dividend. So first you see 4. Here 4 to you divide, then first number is what? 3%. So 4 and 3. What is the difference between both numbers? 3 is smaller than 4. So if you try to 4 to divide 3, only 3, then it is not possible to divide. So what do you first? First you do 4, 3, 1 quotient place you put 1, 0. Okay. Thereafter you mode one number, see here. Thereafter you mode 2 numbers. It means 3 and 2 give divide by 4, 2. So 4 table you read. How many times? Coming 3 to 32. See here, if you put here 0, then 3 is coming and 2, 32. So again you try 4 to divide 32. 4 to try divide 32. How many times coming 32? 8 times. Because when you read the table of 4, then 8 times coming 32. So again you percent place write 8 and down to write 32. And now to subtract. 2 minus 2 equal to 0 and 3 minus 3 equal to 0. These 2 numbers are already completed. Now again you upper 2, it means dividend place to one number, do put down. This one 4, this one 4. Again 4 table you read, how many times coming 4? 1 time. So 4 1s are 4. Again you write percent place 1 and 4 down, again 4 write 4. It means 4 minus 4 to then what coming? 0. And next number is that is dividend place 6. Again you put down 6 and read the table 4. 4 table how many times coming? 6. 4 times 6 is not coming. 4 table 6 is not coming. So you only one time. 4 1s are 4 and 6 down write 4 and do subtract. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. So here you see in this division 4 parts. First part divisor is what? Divisor equal to 4. This one is called divisor. And dividend equal to 3246 and quotient equal to 811 because before 8 left side 0%, so this 0 is not any value, so you only write 811 and remainder is what? Remainder equal to 2. So in this way, in division 4 parts, 1 divisor, 1 dividend, 1 quotient and 1 remainder. Okay. So now again I teach you one more question. That one to I solve and how do you justify the answer is correct or not correct. Okay. So first in this way, if any division questions, then you do solve long division method by this process. And again I am telling to you in division 4 parts. 1 divisor, 1 dividend, 1 quotient, 1 remainder. If you find out from here, then this one is divisor, this one is divisor. This one is divisor. and this one is quotient, and this one is dividend, and down part is remainder. Okay, so this way in division 4 parts, one divisor, one dividend, one quotient, one remainder. Now you see more one question. Question will be 7265 divided by 5. 7265 divided by 5. Again you divide this question by the process of long division. Okay, so first you write here 5 is, why I am write this place, because it is divisor and this one is dividend. So 7265, and now 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Now to minus, because 7 is more than, 7 is a greater number. Which number? 2, 5. So 1 times 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5 equal to 2. Again put down 2. So 5 fours are again 5 fours are 20. Again 2 subtract 2 minus 0 equal to 2, and 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Again put down one more number, that is 6, 26. Again 5 table read how many times coming? 26, not coming. So just 26 before is what percent? 25. Then 5 table 25 is coming, but how many times? 5 times. So you again write here 5. So 5 5s are 25, and now 6 minus 5 equal to 1, and 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Again upward to one number come down. 5, 15. 5 3s are 15. So I am right here 15. 15 minus 15 equal to 0. It means in this question you have got only 3 parts. In 3 parts, which one divisor, one dividend, one quotient. Okay, and remainder is nothing. It means 0. Remainder is not left at any numbers. Then you do check. If you wanted to check this question, my answer is correct or not, then you apply this process. CHECK, check. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, first I am applying this process. The dividend is what? Dividend is 7265. So I am in this topic I am not now written. I am first write here divisor, or first write 7265. Divisor equal to what? 5. Quotient equal to what? 1453. 1453, and remainder equal to nothing. Remainder is not present any number, so you don't give any number. Now you do multiply both terms. If both sides are equal, then your divide process or divide answer is correct. Okay, so you now do multiply 7265. If both sides equal, it means 5 table 3 times you read, है ना? 5 3s are what? 15. So 15, 5. Again carry 1. So 5 5s are 25, and carry 1, 26. Carry 2. 5 4s are 20, and 2, 22. Carry 2. 5 1s are 5, and 2, 7. Now you see both sides are equal. It means in this case, in this process, answer is correct. So it is verified. It means your answer is correct. Okay, this type you check. If you wanted the question, my answer is correct or not correct, then you write first dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So you write dividend is what? 7265. I have written first, and equal give and equal opposite side, divisor place you write 5 and quotient place write 1453 this type, and 5 to give this number multiply. If you mindly do multiply, then do this type. If you are not capable to mindly directly do multiply, then you column wise make and do multiply. And last line, if both sides are equal, it means dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, then your answer is correct. Thanks.